the Audi RS6 Avant GT joins to the lineup. Limited to a scant 660 units worldwide, it features unique cosmetic and aerodynamic tweaks including carbon fiber front fenders and hood, a special roof spoiler and redefined rear diffuser, and unique 22-inch wheels. It's dressed in a decal package inspired by the amazing Audi 90 Quattro IMSA GTO-class race car that stunned the racing world in 1989. 6 exterior finishes are available: Arkona White, Nardo Gray, Chronos Gray Metallic, Madeira Brown Metallic, and Mythos Black Metallic. Mechanical upgrades include a special tune for the rear differential, an adjustable coilover suspension with adjustable dampers and stiffer anti-roll bars. The Audi RS6 Avant Performance and new 2025 Audi RS6 Avant GT are powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V-8 rated for 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. An integrated 48-volt hybrid system, similar to the system used on the A8 luxury sedan and the Q8 crossover, is on board to assist power delivery. An 8-speed automatic transmission directs output to Audi's trademark Quattro all-wheel drive system. Cold hard metrics aside, the RS6 Avant never fails to put a smile on the driver's face with sharp handling, immediate acceleration, and a sonorous exhaust. The shifts are reassuringly firm without being harsh, the four-wheel steering and torque-vectoring rear differential provide agile handling, and the brakes don't disappoint, stopping out test car from 70 miles per hour in 160 feet. Carbon ceramic stoppers are available, and the upgrade unlocks a higher top speed of 190 miles per hour. Both are standard on the new GT model.